I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine and talking about a home show on the radio. We're here at the Charleston Home and Design Show talking with Dale Fort with Buck Lumber and Building Supplies. How are you doing, Dale?
Doing great. Thank you, Tim.
Good. Buck Lumber has the largest display here at the Charleston Home and Design Show. But before we get into that, Dale, briefly tell us about Buck Lumber and Building Supply.
We're an independent building supply center located at 1911 Maybank Highway on James Island. Been a fixture in the community there since 1975. Is family owned by the Buck family, and that's where we are.
Okay, good deal. You're the Buck Lumber is the supplier of building supplies to most of the custom homes that are built throughout the Charleston area, correct?
Wouldn't say most, but it's a nice thing to shoot for. But we do feel like we're an instrumental part of the home building in this market.
Right, and I mentioned before that you've got a huge display here, and it's kind of a reflection of the design, this brand new design center that Buck Lumber and Building Supply has just built at your location over on Maybank Highway. In just a couple moments, just tell us briefly about the design center.
Yes, the design center we opened up in July a year ago. It's roughly 5,000 square feet. It's allowing us to, rather than, we didn't want it to be just a window and door showroom. We wanted it to be an actual design center. So it's a place where you can come in, feel at home, and comfortably make selections and make intelligent decisions.
With real life displays and vignettes where you can see the products in use. Let's go ahead and have you walk us through this awesome display here at the Charleston Home and Design Show. What are we looking at here?
This is actually Marvin Windows and Doors. With the way we set the booth up, we try to express the array of products that we have to offer, and Marvin is an important part of that, important component for us in that mix.
Marvin's a very high-end window.
Yes, and well, not to the extreme. They do make product that's affordable for most homeowners, and we try to put a good mix of that here to show.
Good deal. Okay.
So let's enter the booth.
So we're walking through the Marvin door as if we were walking through a front door of a home. Okay, and
we set this up with the idea of creating a room or a miniature-sized house. You got your front door, you got your back door, and then the various window designs surrounding us. And throughout the booth, you're also going to see decking on the floors by AZEK Decking. It's 100% cellular PVC, the best decking on the market by far.
What makes it the best?
It's durable. It's not going to fade on you. It's not going to crack, split, splinter. It's a phenomenal product. You just have to check it out.
It's not going to cup or anything.
It's not going to cup. The way you see it is the way it's going to stay.
Okay, good deal. Let's continue.
Here we're entering the pre-finished siding area. We associate ourselves with Carolina Machine Finishing. Basically what we do is we take the siding of your choice and pre-finish it and give you up to 25 years on the paint job. Whether it's wood, such as treated pine, cedar, fiber cement, you choose the siding, we put the finish on it, and you got as less maintenance on that product as you can possibly get. So.
All right, good deal.
Behind us we have phantom screens. Let's walk around here, please. Here we have phantom screens where you need a retractable screen for your doors, windows, or if you want to take an open porch and screen it in with the push of a button, we're able to do that. Can we show it?
Can we get a quick demo? So we're watching a retractable screen, a screen that is automatically rising and lowering as if it was on a back porch of someone's home, right?
That's correct. So you can even screen on a front porch if you like, and the mechanism is completely hidden So it's invisible when it's up, but whenever you do want to use your front porch and don't want to get eaten up, especially in the low country, you just push the button and the screen goes down.
That's great. That's great. Okay, let's move on here to the next part of the Buck Lumber and Building Supply display here at the Charleston Home and Design Show.
Like I said, with the pre-finishing, we take the siding of your choice. You see a wide array of product here. You see a picture of a finished home here in the low country that was supplied with the pre-finished siding. So we can cover a wide array of homes and sizes and budgets.
With the pre-finishing, you get a higher quality coating on that house because the building material is being finished in a factory setting right here in Charleston, rather than it being applied in the field by painters outside.
That's very true.
Okay, all right, good deal. What do we have here next?
What we have here is a cable rail system and a deck display. We wanted to show the various types of stainless steel cable rails available to you through us, through Atlanta's rail systems. We also have 3 different types of decks down, AZEK, Ipe, and treated wood, so you can see how well each holds up. Right down to the marine treated timbers underneath it that creates the frame, all of which are available at Buck Lumber Company.
Now, these rail systems, can these be used for interior and exterior?
Absolutely. They work well both ways.
All right, and this is the very attractive stainless steel cabling that is very popular these days, plus the glass panel. And we've got about 3 minutes left here in our video as we move on here.
This is a new product for us. We have Hebel block, it's AAC block, concrete block. You can build complete structures out of it. It's fire resistant, impact resistant. It's just a great new innovative product coming out on the market to build a structure of a home. And what we're showing here is how you incorporate wood eye joists and light steel beams in with the product. Right down to the dry ply underlayment. It's just, it doesn't get any better than this.
Good deal. And it's very common to use for new homes being built to use a lot of steel in them in the construction, right?
Yes, and with this particular block, you can apply your siding or stucco directly to it. It's resistant to moisture. It's not going to mildew, so it has a lot of features to it.
Good deal. And now we're at the AZEK display.
Yes, we have AZEK decks and rails, as you see here. Again, the decking is 100% cellular PVC. The rails is a resin-type composite, and AZEK just came out with 5 new colors as well. So, as far as composite decks go, they're leading the market, and they've eliminated every issue that people have had with composite decks.
Good deal. Anything else we have on display?
Very quickly, we have millwork and storm protection available as well.
Excellent. Okay. Well, we've been speaking with Dale Fort with Buck Lumber and Building Supply, and if you want to see all of these products and not be so rushed, feel free to visit the Buck Lumber Design Center on Maybank Highway. And tell everybody what that address is again.
1911 Maybank Highway on James Island.
And how about a website?
It's bucklumber.com.
Okay, we've been speaking with Dale Fort with Buck Lumber and Building Supply here at the Charleston Home and Design Show. Thank you, Dale.
Thank you very much, Tim.